Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic Volvo V40 2-litre T2 Momentum. Now this vehicle has currently done 14,285 miles and it's finished in the colour muscle blue. It does come with full service history, it's been well maintained over the low mileage it's covered. It does sit very nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 324 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,021 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your gorgeous cloth interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. To the left of the steering wheel you have your speed limiter, to the right some controls for adjusting the infotainment system. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got a digital speedometer. You can also see information such as your service information and your engine oil level. Centered in the dashboard you have your infotainment system. You've got the controls lower on the dash with the screen up at the top. The system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also connect your own source of audio with USB. There's a Bluetooth connectivity as well as a CD player. With your Bluetooth you also have your telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. You can also import your phone book into the vehicle, making it very easy to call people. You can see your infotainment controls there. Below it you also have your air conditioning, which is super easy to use. Your climate information is displayed at the bottom of the infotainment screen. You've got your 6-speed manual gear selector here in the centre console, along with 2 cup holders and a 12-volt socket.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.